Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about some of the shortcuts related to the worksheet. We are going to talk about the difference between Windows and Mac and the shortcuts applicable in each of these cases. New worksheet. New worksheet is very simple to create in Windows, which is Alt or \IW. We can use another method which is Shift F11. And coincidentally, the same shortcut of Shift F11 also works in Mac. Now you'd be asking, then why have I put that function key? Because Mac has two types of keyboard. In one of the keyboard, you can only press the function key after pressing Fn. However, if you have a Mac laptop, which doesn't require you to press Fn to make F1, 2, 3, 4 visible, then you can just use Shift F11 and you will be done with the shortcut. How about deleting the worksheet? In Windows, it is again Alt or \OHH. There is another shortcut which is in the newer version of Excel which is available is Alt or \HDS. Unfortunately, in Mac, there is no shortcut to delete worksheet. So we will have to go to Home, Delete Sheet. Or we can take another method which is just double click on the sheet which we want to delete and we should be able to delete the worksheet. I would like to highlight one very important point over here, which is once the worksheet is deleted, it cannot be undone. So please be careful while deleting the worksheet. But you know what? Perhaps you already know that. So what's the use of watching this video? So let me give you a hack. There is a hack by which if by mistake you have deleted a worksheet, you would be able to get it back. That is, just close the file without saving and then reopen the file and you will have that worksheet which by mistake you have deleted intact. Are you loving it? I'm sure you're loving it. Let's look at some other shortcuts, which is renaming a worksheet. Again, in Windows, we have two options, one for the older version which still continues and the newer version shortcut. So the older version is Alt or \OHR. The newer version is Alt or \HOR. In Mac, we will have to go to Format, Sheet, Rename, or double click on the sheet and then click on Rename to basically rename the worksheet. Now let's talk about how are we going to select the entire worksheet. And you would be happy to know that in Windows and Mac, it works exactly in the same way. So the first one is Control A. The second one is Control Shift and Spacebar. For more videos, visit www.starperformers.net. Or else do subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button so that when I upload the new video, you are able to get the notification of all the new videos. Till then, have a good time.